Alright, it's rolling the whole time, whatever you want to do.
What do you want me to do?
Just rev the car up. Show them how to get down.
That's just a normal exhaust, huh?
It's that regular, everyday stuff.
Oh, it's a normal exhaust?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yep. Damn.
That was pretty neat, huh?
Yeah, that's cool. You heard? YouTube, what's good with you guys, man? Make sure you guys leave a like on the video if you guys enjoyed it. Helps my channel grow. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, make sure you guys go check out all my other videos and hit that subscribe button. I make videos on the Q50 and the G35, so if you guys are a part of the Infinity family, make sure you guys are rocking with me, and we'll take this to a whole new level. Alright, so you guys stay tuned. You guys have a nice day, and I'll catch y'all later. Sweet.